Hi, I'm Macy Martin.
My name is David Reyes.
I'm Adam Sokor, and this is our boat trip project.
Our thesis for this project was architectural developments to combat harsh seawater waves. We explored this through the infrastructures in the oceans, including oil rigs and seawalls. Its interactions with the coastal environments include exposures to high energy waves, saltwater corrosion, and shifting underwater conditions. The chemistry involvement with this thesis is the selection of materials, anti-corrosion coatings, and cathodic protections. All of these involvements could better the industry. So the roles for our team, we had 3. The team manager was David, the team facilitator was Adam, and the product manager was me, Macy. The problems we faced going through this project were we initially had a hard time grasping an idea of what our thesis would be about because of the diverse field of mechanical engineering and how it relates to chemistry. The solution we had with this problem was continued communication throughout the team members to reach a consensus for our thesis.
As for our initial proposals, because of the diverse interests in mechanical engineering and how it relates back to the coastal environment, we made several propositions for thesis proposals. But due to the recent boat trip lab and the viewing of several key landmarks within the Galveston Bay Area, we concluded on the developments in architecture to combat harsh seawater waves due to viewing reinforcements around key areas and bridges and such as the Pelican Island Bridge and its other material reinforcements alongside the bridge, as well as anti-coatings along the bridge painting exterior. And we noticed how those aspects of mechanical engineering could relate back towards the development against chemistry-related problems, especially within the maritime industry or the coastal industry as well. And these are our findings from the boat trip lab as well. There are the listed coordinates top to bottom, listed in order: the Pelican Island Bridge, the Galveston Causeway Bridge, the Pelican Island Cut, the Selma wreck site, and the Battleship Texas. The Pelican Island Bridge, and especially the Galveston Causeway Bridge, related back to our thesis for architectural developments to combat harsh seawater waves, as shown in the pictures in the top left and the top middle. And these are the following places listed on Google Maps themselves, spread all across the Galveston Bay Area themselves.
So, as mentioned in the beginning, our thesis is about architectural developments in order to combat the harsh seawater that structures that we make and build in the ocean can meet. And one example of such structures is the oil rig, which needs to be modeled in a specific way in order to combat such conditions that it will regularly meet on a daily basis in such environment. So, as mentioned before, structures located in the ocean, such as oil rigs, are met on a daily frequency with conditions that are very different from those structures that are made in normal environment that we live in. One of such specific conditions that oil rigs can meet is the endurance wave, which, if the wave has a certain height, causes the structure to respond to it and could sustain some damage. And the way how to combat this specific condition is to choose the right material that allows the structure to absorb all the energy that's being imposed on it by that wave, and that is where the work of the mechanical engineer comes into play, because firstly, before implementing such material to the structure, a sufficient model has to prove that the structure made from that material could actually sustain the wave.
The following 4 are references, all relating back to our thesis for architectural developments combating harsh seawater waves. Thank you for listening to our presentation. I hope you have a good day.